everyone, very good morning. Welcome to English class. How are you all? All are fit and fine? Okay. So children, in the yesterday's class, what we done? Yes, how to write the small letters A to D letter. We practice it. Is it? Writing practice we done it. Yes. So once again we'll practice A to D. Okay. After that again we'll practice E to H letters. We'll continue the letter E, F, G, H. Okay. Yes. A. So which letter it is? A for apple, A for acorn, A for aeroplane, A for axe, A for acorn. Okay? Yes. So like this. So here finger see. Help of your finger dots you have to touch this star. Okay? Then again up, down. Okay? Yes. A. So like this you have to write it small letter A. Which letter it is? Small letter A. Yes. Next is D letter. So how to write it? Let's see. Okay. D. So help of your fingers you have to trace this dots line. Okay. Standing line you have to put. Again one more star you have to trace it. Then half circle. Okay. Which letter it is? Small letter D. Is it? Yes. Okay. So next we learned C letter. Is it? Yes. So how to write it? See, let's see. Help of your fingers. You have to trace this dots line and you have to trace. You have to complete the star. You have to touch the star. So which pattern it is? Curve pattern. Is it? Yes. Like a C you have to curve pattern. You have to write it here. Understood? Yes. So which letter it is? Small letter C. Okay. Next letter is D. Yes. So how to write a D letter? C. So first you have to trace the dots line. Half curve. Okay. Half curve you have to trace it. Then up you have to trace the standing line like a same you have to trace down you have to take the standing line. Okay. Half curve standing line. Okay. Yes. Half curve standing line. So which letter it is? Small letter D. Okay. Yes. So next letter we are going to learn E letter. Okay. Yes. So in the yesterday's class we learned A, B, C, D letter. Is it? Yes. So in the today's class we learn E letter. So how to write the E letter? Just see it children. Okay. First you have to trace the dots line like a sleeping line you have to trace it. Then from the up you have to take the half curve like this you have to touch the star mark. Okay. Yes. Sleeping line, half curve. Understood? Yes. E letter. So once again I will show it. So see children how to write the E letter. Okay. Once again. Sleeping line, half curve. Okay. Sleeping line, half curve, small letter E. Okay. Next letter is F letter. So how to write the F letter? See. From the up you have to trace the standing line then sleeping line. Okay. Learn F letter. Okay. How to write it? F. See. From the up you have to trace the standing line. Okay. Yes. Then sleeping line. F. Okay. So like this you have to practice F letter. Okay. So next letter is G. Yes. So how to write the G? See, half curve, standing line, half curve. See, half curve you have to trace it. Then small standing line, then half curve. Down you have to take it like a J, you have to write it, okay? Yeah. G. G. Which letter it is? G letter. Yes, once again will G. Yes, so how to write it? Let's see once again. Half curve, half curve, down. G. Yes, so like this you have to practice G letter. Okay, children? Okay. So next letter is H. So which next letter? H letter. Yes. So like this. Help of your fingers, you have to trace this dots line star. Okay. Then half curve. Okay. Like this. Standing line. Half curve. H. Small letter H it is. Okay. Yes. So once again we'll write it. H. H. See, standing line, half curve. See, help of your fingers, you have to trace this dots line. Okay. Yes, standing line. Then half curve. H. So like this you have to practice. Okay, children? Yes. So in the today's class, which letter will practice writing? E, F, G, H. Is it? Yes. So in the yesterday's class, which letter we practice? A, B, C, D, E. Is it? Yes. D. Till D 4 letters we learned. So in the today's class also we learnt all the letters. Is it? A to H letters. So you have to practice this, children. Understood? Yes, writing practice you have to do it. So children, so you have to practice the letters. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So these letters you have to practice it. Understood? Writing practice you have to do it. Okay? Yes. So everyone do the writing practice. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.